Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Inflict. Inflict means cause something unpleasant or painful to be suffered by person or thing. For example, they inflicted serious injuries on 3 other men. They inflicted serious injuries on 3 other men. Synonyms: administer to, deal out to, mete out to.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. But remember, the hand that inflicts the wound also holds the cure. Now, repeat after me. But remember, the hand that inflicts the wound also holds the cure. The second exempli. She cut him on his side, inflicting wounds up to 7 inches long. Now, repeat after me. She cut him on his side, inflicting wounds up to 7 inches long. The third exempli. He saw that the deceased had received stab wounds inflicted by the other man. Now, repeat after me. He saw that the deceased had received stab wounds inflicted by the other man.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
There are 7 ways to spell the sound ee in English. This sentence contains all of them. He believed Caesar could see people seizing the seas.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.